Omolayo Olalikon. You're welcome to today's class. This is a very good guide to draft your sleeve. The basic measurement is apex to the hem. The round arm side or the round armhole, you divide it by 2. Then apex to armhole line is called cuff sleeve. The cuff sleeve, how do you derive it? Your bust measurement divided by 12 plus 0.5. Then the cuff sleeve to the hem. This is the apex to the hem, 10 inches. Calculate the cuff sleeve. That's bust divided by 12 plus 0.5. The bust is 36 divided by 12. That will give us 3 plus 0.5. That is 3.5. This is from this hand, the apex, to 3.5. That's the cuff sleeve. 3.5. You connect the points together. That's the cuff sleeve line. From the cuff sleeve line, we have to locate the arm side, the armhole, and to do that, you divide the armhole, which is 16 inches, divided by 2. That will give us 8, and you mark it to get the arm side. You connect together. That is the arm side. From this hand of the apex, you draw a straight line and connect to the cuff line. Can you see the way I'm doing it to connect it together? From the edge here, the apex, connect it together. That is it. The next step is to locate the middle of this line. You put your measure tape there and locate it. I have 8 inches there, so the middle will be 4 inches. 4 inches. You mark it like this. You mark it. From that midpoint, you go up with ½ inch and mark it again, ½ inch, 0.5. From that midpoint here at the top, you draw a curved line to the apex. Can you see? Then down to the hand here. From this point, you make another curve to connect to this point. So also, from the point again, you connect to the apex. Like spiral. Now calculate your band and divide it by 2. I have 12 inches divided by 2, that will give us 6. This is the band line, 6 inches. Mark it. Then you connect this point to this place, like this. So you connect this point to this place. This particular place is for the front of the garment, and you connect it together and you sew it together. And this area is for the back of the garment. I'll show you how I'm going to cut it now. You know that sleeve is on two folds. It's already on two folds, so that's the way you cut it. Like I said, the back, this is for the back, and this hand is for the front side of the garment. So you see the way I'm cutting it. Place your hand on the pattern sheet like this. Don't lift the sheet up. You first cut out the two together. Cut out the two folds. Cut out the two folds together like this. Then you cut this place out. Just don't cut the second part. And the lower part is for the front of the garment. You attach to the front of the garment, and this side will be attached to the back of the garment. So the pattern sleeve is ready. For the same patterns, all you do is add 0.5 inch at this hand, 1 inch for the side, and 1 inch for the hand. In the next class, we'll be learning how to make a puff sleeve and different types of sleeves. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel where you learn a lot, and share with your friends.